I have a problem. The tripod I bought a while ago just doesn't fit my camera. And unfortunately, it's keeping me up at night. So one day, as I was lying in bed, I thought to myself, something's got to change. But first, let's cue some music. Okay, so here's the plan. So the plan should be quite straightforward. I'm going to need some measurements, and I'll then model the piece in Fusion, and hopefully, I'm stressing the word hopefully, print it on my first try. The solution was rather simple. I basically needed to copy the clip that I already had and change the top part to a thread that could fit on my camera. My only worry was the limitation of my knowledge on Fusion, so let's see how I get on. Enough planning, let's get to actually making something. Launch up Resolve. Wait, no, that's the wrong software, that's what I'm currently on. No. I launched up Fusion, yeah, that's better, and got to modeling. The keyboard isn't even plugged in. 3D printing for me is one of those new technologies that I just can't stop thinking about. Here's a few objects I've modeled myself which have been so handy in the past. Every issue I have seems to be able to be solved by 3D printing, and I love it. Anyway, once I felt happy with the model, I simply sent it off to my trusty old 3D printer. Lucky for me, it only took 2 prints to get the right dimensions. The last thing I needed to do was add a thread that will be able to screw in to my camera. I used this color shifting filament, which turned out to match quite well with monopod, and it came out super nice. I printed a couple of backups in case the plastic ends up snapping, but yeah, this was a super fun project. I hope you enjoy this new sort of format. If you do, you're in luck. I've got loads of new ideas to make in the foreseeable future, so stick around and I will see you next time. Take care. First try, let's go.